Hello! In true 3 days Tres Noches fashion, we have changed rooms for our last night. So I can bring you as many room videos as I can. This is to die for. This room, you are going to love. It's an oceanfront master suite. Let's go. Now, this was not a free upgrade. However, I did negotiate a pretty good rate for the last night, probably because the room was just sitting there empty, of only $300. Now, of course, on top of the rate that I was paying for the last night, normally this room is around probably $2,000 a night in high season. Back to the room tour, and I'm going to do a voiceover because I was not wearing a mic and the audio was kind of in and out. And I want to make sure you hear all of the amazing amenities of this room. So as you saw earlier in the video, it had that beautiful separate seating area. Then right as you walk in, it has a second half bath, which is always a plus. And of course, just like the other room, they had the mini fridge that you can stock with whatever you like. They had the coffee and a few snacks. Not a ton of snacks, but a few snacks if you wanted something. And then a completely separate bedroom and bathroom area. Plus this cool pop-up TV. So if you like to watch TV in bed, you're gonna love that. Plus the amazing view that I'm going to show you in a minute. I absolutely loved that the master bathroom was closed off from the bedroom area. So it had doors where you could close it and completely shut it for privacy. And the master bathroom was huge. It has the double sinks, but even more, it had this amazing curtain that you could pull up and actually have oceanfront views right from the bathroom sinks, which I've never seen at any resort. Huge jacuzzi tub with views, and then a separate double rainfall shower and separate toilet area. Also had a little seating area with a lot of closet space. But let's get to the wow factor of this room, which is the outdoor area. This particular room was located on a corner, so it had insane views, so much space outside, but then its own separate plunge pool, as you can see here. And it had so many cool little seating areas, like this little elevated Bali bed, where it felt like I had 360-degree views of the entire resort. And one important thing that I forgot to mention that I just kind of assumed everyone knew, but you do get preferred club access with this room along with concierge service. And again, since this room was on a corner, the views were absolutely insane and the outdoor area was huge. So I know this is a really expensive room, but I would consider it if it is your honeymoon, especially something that you're only going to do once in a lifetime. And I do a full honest resort review of Secrets Akumal on my channel, 3 Days and Tres Noches. In case you are new here, I bring you honest resort reviews, travel tips, and information about the destinations that I go to and show you can have an amazing vacation in a really short amount of time. So please like and subscribe. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram.